Viral Loops is an all-in-one referral marketing platform to create viral word-of-mouth campaigns. Using it is straightforward. Choose which type of referral system you want to create, and then use the platform to design a matching campaign. Viral Loops can help you launch a product, grow your email list, decrease customer acquisition costs, and retain your customers by turning them into brand ambassadors. Who is it for? Viral Loops runs on most websites or CMS, including WordPress, Shopify, and Facebook Messenger. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, or solopreneur looking to promote a product launch, find new customers, and nurture existing ones, Viral Loops is built for you. Viral Loops pricing. Pricing for Viral Loops is structured simply. If you pay on a monthly basis, Viral Loops can cost you over $1,000 extra per year at the highest tier. Here is the basic pricing if paid yearly: $34 month, startup 1,000 participants, $69 month, growing, up to 20,000 participants, $208 month, power, up to 25,000 participants. Or you can grab the Viral Loops Black Friday deal at $59 on AppSumo. Core features. Viral Loops is an all-in-one referral marketing platform, so it's got everything you need to run a viral referral campaign. Here are some of the core features. 1. Easily customizable campaign templates. One of Viral Loops' major highlights is found in its customizable templates. These templates make creating and publishing your campaign incredibly easy. There are 10 main campaign templates to choose from. Among them are Refer a Friend, Viral Loops for Shopify, the Startup Pre-Launch. 2. No Hassle Landing Page Builder. Don't have a knack for design or web building, or haven't yet launched your website? Use the Viral Loops Landing Page Builder to create a custom landing page to host your campaign instead. The building tool is made for beginners, so the page can be customized, start to finish, without using a single code. 3. Real-time dashboard for performance tracking. As your campaign runs, being able to track how it's doing heavily influences its success. You can head to the My Campaigns section of your account and click Edit to quickly and easily observe important metrics. You can also make adjustments to your campaign after it's launched. 4. Over a dozen integratable apps. Being able to connect your other tools and social media apps is essential to a smooth campaign that integrates with your existing workflow. You can connect up to 14 apps to your Viral Loops account. If you don't see the app you need, use webhooks to facilitate a third-party API or integrate an unsupported app. Viral Loops review. Pros and cons. As in life, every app has its upsides and downsides. Here's what I found great and not so great. Pros: no advanced tech knowledge is needed. You don't need any web design or coding knowledge to use this tool, which makes it excellent for newbies and non-technical teams. Monitoring and editing a campaign requires little effort. Reviewing and adjusting the metrics for each campaign is incredibly simple and requires just a few quick clicks for changes. Campaign templates make for no-stress launches. Since you don't have to start each campaign from scratch, it can take just a few minutes to get up and running. You can quickly get a campaign ready for launch and promotion. Excellent and responsive customer support. If there's ever an issue that requires customer support's involvement, you'll be met with efficient, knowledgeable employees to work on a resolution. Cons: no anti-fraud algorithm. Other referral tools have an anti-fraud algorithm that scans participant information for fraudulent activity, which helps maintain true or real numbers regarding campaign growth. No free version outside a free trial. Once your free trial is up, so is your only free use option for Viral Loops. If you'd like to use this tool, even at its most basic features, you'll need to have a paid subscription. Luckily, for a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Viral Loops at only $59.